Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a Quilters challenge and it is my turn. I've thrown out the challenge to the group and to the audience to do a wonky circle and what that looks like to you. So I had a couple thoughts. I thought about doing something like this, which is a pattern that I did through our guild because that's kind of a wonky circular feel to it. And then I also thought about doing something like this. But I think I'll save this for a later video because it does take a lot of time to put it together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a wonky circle another way. So first of all, what we need are a sample or a variety of fabrics. So we need some 2.5-inch squares, some 2.5-inch strips, and some 1.5-inch strips. So let me get started. So the first step is to take a darker 2.5-inch square paired up with a lighter 2.5 square and piece those together with a 1/4 inch seam. This should now measure 2.5 by 4.5, and I'm now going to take a lighter piece and attach it to the right hand side with the red or the darker facing up in the upper left hand corner. So this should now measure 4.5 inches square. This was a little bit short, but I'm not too worried about it because it still leaves me a good opportunity to catch this fabric in the next. So next I'm switching to a darker fabric, and this measures 1.5 by 4.5, and that's going to go up here like this. Next up, this should be measuring 4.5 by 5.5. Now we're going to have a strip that's 1.5 by 5.5, and it's going to go on the left hand side. And this is now going to make this a square 5.5-inch square once this has been put in place. And continuing the rounds, I now have a 2.5 by 5.5 that will be going on the lower edge like this. And step 7 finds that we're going to be adding a 2.5 by 7.5 onto the right hand side. And to this, we're now going to add a 1.5 by 7.5 strip up here. And then we will be adding a 1.5 by 8.5 inch strip to the left hand side. With those two rounds done, we're now going to add another strip up here. Let me scoot this down a bit for you, like that. And then we will add another one to the left hand side. And then after that, we have 2 more rounds of the dark fabric. I will have all the measurements in the description below, and I'll also give you some sizes when I have these blocks done. So this is now measuring 9.5 inches square, and I am going to add 2 more rounds. So in the darker, there'll be another 1.5 inch strip up here, which will be 1.5 by 9.5, and to the left hand side, it'll be 1.5 by 10.5. So our finished block will be 10.5 inches square. And I'm actually making 4 of them, so I'll show you what they look like once I get these done. So I now have 4 of these done, which is what I need for the project I want to do, and they do measure 10.5 inches square. So let me take you over to my design wall and I'll show you what I'm thinking. So taking 4 and laying them out like this, that's kind of a neat idea, but that's not what I have planned. And I really like this one. This is layout number 2. That isn't what I had planned. And here's option 3, and this isn't what I had planned. And fitting in with the theme of a wonky circle, this is what I had. So if you see it like that, that is my thought. So again, this measures 20 inches finished, 20.5 unfinished. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments which layout you prefer. I hope you give it a try to my wonky log cabin, let's call it. And until next time, Check out the other content creators in this challenge. Sew safely and sew with Debee. Have a great day and bye for now.